All right, let's unbox this bad boy. Okay. Wow. Oh, shoot. Look at this. This thing looks cool. Oh my gosh, you got so many of them. Wow. There's more stuff in there. Look at this. These are mounting brackets. Let's put those there. Right now we've got to look at these. See exactly what they are. Oh, wow. Each one, oh, I see. Okay. So these are each one lighting bracket right here. Oh, look at that. And this right here, you put this on the wall like that, and it slides into this. And you can put this anywhere. See that? So this slides right into there, like that. And then, bam, you just set her out there. It charges. It's ready to go. Now, when you want to get these off of here, you just gotta pull them off. I'm liking this for sure. This thing's cool. See if I can get all this junk off of it. Still got some here. I don't think there wasn't one on this, but it's right here. See it? I don't know how critical that is if you don't get it all off, but let's go ahead and get this one off here. Okay, so that comes off of there. I don't know how critical that is. You might be able to leave that on there, but I do believe that, you know, this has got to go up, right? So the sun hits it, and then these are, you know, these tilt around, so you can have light in all four corners. I think this is going to be kind of cool. I'm going to put this on the outside of the back door and see how it works. I think that'll be a cool place to put it. Also, see this bends, so you've got some flexibility with this, so you can get it, you know, to the angle that you needed to have it. And these, you know, you can do them a couple different ways, you know. See, if you got it like that, you can make it like this, depending on where you're putting it, so that you get a full range of light everywhere. So if it's high, you could be shooting it down, and this shoots it out, and this shoots it to the sides. So that's very cool. Very cool. All right, now we just got to go install it. All right, if you like this video of the unboxing, wait until you see me install this bad boy. Peace out.